AUDUSD analysis today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about Australian dollar against US dollar. So before we do that, if you are new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe, like and share, do all of that. And below the video you'll find some links. So the first link says swing like a pro. So if you click on this link and come to this page, then you can join this program if you want. First of all, you can watch these videos, the setups which I have given you on this page. Okay, so you can see how the analysis works, and then you can figure out. So the second link, consultation, check brokers. If you want to speak with me, you can book consultation, and you can always join free Telegram. So let's get back to the chart, starting the top down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly we are up, daily we are up, 4 hour we are up as well. And yeah, so look for longs in 4 hour after pullback. We are in super uptrend, so only longs. And if you want precise entry exit with stop loss and this and that, then join this program. I'll see you in the next videos. Till then, take care.